Hello and welcome back. I'm Randy Newbert from VoodooFX. In today's short video, we'll be going over some custom lighting kits that I've done, not only in the past, but also ones that are current. So in this series, we'll be showing some of the effects that can be achieved with lighting and in all sorts of different areas that we can do for modeling. So let's get started.
USS Enterprise, this is Nomad. My mission is non-hostile. Insufficient response. All things have a point of origin. I will scan your star charts. Non sequitur. Your facts are uncoordinated. I contain no parasitical beings. I am Nomad.